Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a Toca Boca character sticker in Picsart. So go to this discovery page here, scroll down until you find gaming content and select Toca Boca. Then you are going to select the sticker. First you're going to need a body for it, so I'm just going to select apply. Choose a background. I'm just going to select the simple background. And I am going to apply the sticker, put it in the middle. Then I'm going to select stickers and I'm going to search for Toca Boca, and then I'm going to add in the hair, like so. And it's gonna take a long time to be precise, so I'm just going to adjust it like so. Press apply, and then again go to sticker, find the outfit, this one's cute. Just going to add that one on and wait for it to download. And then I'm just going to resize it. Oops. Until it fits the sticker, like so. And I'm just going to press apply again. And then I'm going to keep on doing that until I am pleased with my character. They already have like this full set. And then now I'm just going to add shoes. I'm going to add this one. And again, I'm going to adjust the size like so. Apply, and then now I'm going to add in her face. I'm going to just add this one on. You can even add in like furnitures for the background if you'd like. That's gonna take me a long time, so I'm not gonna do that, but you can if you want to. That is optional though. And then I am just going to press apply, and you can even add in like hair accessories, like this clip over here, a hat if you want to. There's just a lot of options for you to choose from. You can add in different hairstyles, accessories like this, like teddy bear. Like you can just add it next to the person like so, and just press apply. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.